Virginia Hawkins campsite. Hello everyone, I'm on the Foothills Trail in South Carolina, the mountains of South Carolina, and spend the night at this campsite. Just wanted to show you around what's here. We've got several campsites. There's one with a fire ring, a couple of benches. There's another one, fire ring, couple of benches. I'm set up over here. There's a rock ring, and there's several other rock rings back this way. There's also a bear bag cable. You can see the sign there. It says 175 feet to the left. So you can hang your food there. This campsite is close to a creek, and there's a bridge. There's actually two bridges. Another one back over that way. And this is the way to Virginia Hawkins Fall. But if you bring a filter for water, there's plenty of water. There's actually plenty of water on the entire trail. And this is Virginia Hawkins Falls. And this is part of the trail. It's a little overgrown, but still passable. Okay, so one of the bridges to Virginia Hawkins is out right now. There is a detour around. Or if you're more adventurous and more inclined to risk, you can hop over a few rocks, kind of like what I did. So there's actually two bridges that are out. The easiest way to get to the falls would be to take the detour. Okay, so here's the detour sign. It's on both sides of the falls. It says, hikers that do not take the detour, proceed at your own risk. You can see there's a bridge that is out, and there's the path of the detour. So you can still get to the falls. If you take the detour, you just have to go to the campground and then back out to the falls. So there's a lot of areas around the falls with tree coverage. It gets kind of dark. I also mentioned there's slippery areas. There's some steep steps. It's just real high humidity in this area, so a lot of slippery locations. The camera probably doesn't do it justice, but that's going to be a steep incline. It's just kind of the shade and how dark it is. Alright, so now I reached the Laurel Valley parking lot. Just finished the section of the Foothills Trail. So the Laurel Valley parking lot is about half mile off of Highway 178. And to get to Virginia Hawkins Falls, it's listed as 4.2 miles. I think that's a little off. I think it's more than that. It is rough terrain. It's up and down. So, just bring plenty of water if you do that. But it's definitely doable. It can be a good day hike.